Hello! In this video you're going to see how Historia can improve your Windows mobile device dramatically. Historia is an advanced core history and price calculation for Windows mobile devices. It gives you much more advantage than the built-in colog of Windows Mobile. First, let's take a look at the Windows Mobile colog and see what is missing there. First, as you can see, only a small number of calls is shown in the display. If you want to see details of each call, you have to tap the call, and then you can see the duration of the call and the time of the call. You can't copy numbers to your clipboard and then paste them to your notes or calendar. If somebody calls you, you have to enter its number manually. You can't filter a call by number and display all calls from a specific number. You have to scroll down the call log and search for it yourself. The number of calls in the call log is limited to only 300 calls. You can't export your call log to your desktop computer. Now let's see how Historia can give you all those missing functionalities. First, in the left side, you can see colors. Each color represents a different type of call. Red color is for incoming call. Yellow is for missed call. And the green color is for outgoing call. There are some columns in the display. Each column displays a different detail. You have a number column, name column, time and date column, and the duration column. If you tap and hold the number, a menu opens. You can call the number directly from Historia. You can send SMS. You can save the number to your contact list. You can copy the number to your clipboard, filter the number, delete one number, the selected number, or delete all the numbers in the display. If you filter a number, you will see all calls from this specific number you filter by, and then you can select if you want to delete all these numbers. You can delete all, and all these numbers will be deleted. You can also look at the display and see the details of the calls. If you tap filter, you can choose the type to filter by the display. The display will show you only the calls of the specific type selected. In the menu, there are other options. You can choose settings to set the settings of Historia. You can change the font, increase the font size, change the type of font, and you can also limit the number of calls in the file. You can see the current number of calls in the file, and you can limit the number to your preferences. If you limit the number of calls, the file will be smaller. You see, I increased the font size and changed the font type, and the display is shown with the new settings. You can change the width of the columns by dragging the edge of the header to the width you want. The file currently has about 700 calls. If you tap Summary, you will see a message with the number of calls in the current display and the total duration of calls in the current display. Another great feature of Historia is the bills. If you tap Bills, you will get to a new window that will show you previous monthly bills of your phone calls. Each month is represented in a bar. If you tap a bar, you will see the price you paid this month. In table view, you will see in a table the bills you paid in previous months and in the current month. In bill settings, you can set the prices according to your specific plan. There are many options here to fit exactly your own plan. Historia exports and saves the calls in files located at My Documents folder under Historia folder. These files get synchronized to your desktop computer automatically. Then you can, from your desktop computer, open the files in Excel or export them or save them to other locations for backup purposes. You see that the file doesn't take much space. 750 calls takes only about 50 kilobytes. That's it. To summarize the benefits of Historia, there are copying a number, filtering by number, exporting to a desktop, unlimited number of calls, detailed view, and price calculation. Thank you very much for viewing this video. If you have any questions, please write them and I will do my best to answer them as quickly as possible. Thank you again.